Welcome to our channel, where we help you improve your health through simple, easy-to-follow recipes. Today, we're sharing with you 3 delicious alkaline recipes that will help you boost your body's pH levels. First up, we have a refreshing cucumber and avocado salad. Start by slicing up a cucumber and half an avocado and mixing them together in a bowl. Add in some chopped red onion, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything together and enjoy. Next, we have a tasty broccoli and lentil soup. Begin by sautéing some chopped onion and garlic in a pot. Add in some chopped broccoli and cook until tender. Then, add in some cooked lentils, vegetable broth, and a dash of turmeric. Let everything cook together for a few minutes before blending it all together until smooth. Last but not least, we have a sweet and spicy roasted sweet potato dish. Peel and cut the sweet potato into cubes and toss them in a mixture of olive oil, honey, and chili powder. Roast in the oven for about 20 minutes until the sweet potatoes are crispy and golden brown. We hope these alkaline recipes help you on your journey to better health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas.